As follows, we present the installation of the outdoor model of the Ekolet toilet. Before the installation, please read the written instructions carefully. The heaviest load lays on the rear girders, so the footing must be robust. The best foundation for the building and the device is a concrete slab. The back wall of the building should have an opening 115 centimeters wide and at least 95 centimeters high. It would be useful to make the opening higher, so you can fasten the last board on top of the composter after the installation is ready. Suitable floor height is 48 centimeters. Make a crescent-shaped opening with a radius of 54 centimeters. The center of the circle is 10 centimeters from the back wall. Fix the board wedges to the rear girders. Lastly, after the installation is finished, you can fasten the flat packing strip into the floor. Attach the liquid exhaust hose to the base of the liquid tray in the steel frame. Secure the connection with a hose clip. Fasten the steel frame to the rear girders with 4 bolts. If you have a concrete slab, the steel frame can also stand on it. The steel frame is fastened to the floor with 1 bolt. Put the metal grid inside the border of the liquid tray to keep the rodents away. Tape the packing strip to the edge of the steel hoop. Lift the steel hoop on the wheels so that the packing strip is on the upper edge. Check that the hoop can be freely rotated. Lift the container into its place inside the hoop. Fasten 4 angle profile steels with bolts and nuts to the ready-made holes, from outside inward. Set the air deflector to the holders in the container. Set the T-profile steel under the angle steel. Put the angles of the dividing walls on top of the T-profile in such a manner that the container will be divided into 4 sectors. Bend the corners of the overlapping plates into curls and put the metal flynet on top of the central hole. Put the steel grids into the filtering bags and place them to the bottom of each sector. Put a few centimeters of peat or old compost to the bottom of each sector. Lift the lid to its place. Put the back lid to its place. Fasten 2 supporting pieces to the rear girders on both sides of the container, so that the lid can be supported when rotating the composter. Fasten the last wall board, allowing 1 centimeter's gap between the lid and the board. Mount the toilet seat. Make 4 openings into the end of a 160 mm ventilation pipe. Close the openings by a plastic flynet and place a hat on top. Your composting toilet is ready for use.